Hello friends, on this video right now I'll show you how to set button system navigation on your device. So friends, before we continue the steps, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, you have to move on setting. After that, you have to scroll down to additional setting. On the below, you are going to find the additional setting. So you just keep scrolling on the below and here it is. Okay, here you have to click on additional setting. After that, you're going to find the full screen display, so you have to click on full screen display. Then here is a choice for you. This one is the system navigation, so from here you can choose buttons and the full screen gesture. If you want to set into buttons, just click on this icon and the full screen be set into buttons. Okay, you can see here it has been changed. If you want to set into full screen gesture, just click on this icon and the buttons will be set off. Okay, see, you can see the change. So click on button if you want to set into button. Here it is. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.